Welcome back, friends. So many of you watch our videos every week but forget to support us. Please, like this video right now, subscribe to Dream Car Views, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our luxury motorhome tours. Today we take you on a full walk around and interior journey of the stunning Greenliner Luxury RV, from the powerful front side to the stylish backside, and deep inside to the living room, kitchen, bedroom, and washroom. Let's begin. First, the front side. The Greenliner Luxury RV stands proud with its deep emerald paint and massive chrome grille. Sleek aerodynamic lines flow from the hood to the windshield, while LED headlights give it a modern, commanding presence. Dual rear axles hint at the strength beneath, ready for long-distance adventures. Now we move to the backside. Here you'll notice the smooth, rounded design that makes airflow efficient. Large tinted rear windows allow natural light inside while keeping privacy intact. High-mounted LED brake lights and polished chrome accents complete the luxury look. And the rear storage compartments provide ample space for all your travel gear. Step inside to the heart of comfort. The living room plush leather sofas stretch across both sides, perfect for family movie nights. A giant LED TV with surround sound transforms the area into your private theater. Panoramic windows flood the space with daylight, and soft ambient lighting sets a warm mood when the sun goes down. Next stop, the kitchen. A full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and deep stainless steel sink make cooking on the road a delight. Granite countertops and high-gloss cabinets give this kitchen a clean, modern elegance while offering generous storage for all your ingredients and utensils. After a day's travel, the bedroom offers peaceful relaxation. A king-size memory foam bed with a stylish headboard invites you to unwind. Built-in wardrobes keep your clothes organized. And soft reading lights with climate control create the feel of a five-star hotel suite wherever you park. Even the washroom impresses with a glass-enclosed shower, LED-lit vanity, and premium ceramic fixtures. Clever storage means you have space for all your essentials. And the elegant marble-style finishes provide a true spa-like experience. The Greenliner isn't just about looks, it's packed with technology. Smart controls manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment. Solar panels keep you powered off-grid, while advanced suspension and noise insulation make long drives smooth and quiet. With its powerful front side, stylish backside, and luxurious interiors, the living room, kitchen, bedroom, and washroom, the Greenliner Luxury RV truly brings a dream home on wheels. Prices vary with custom options, but every mile feels worth it. Friends, if you love this complete tour, please like this video, subscribe to Dream Car Views, hit the bell icon, and share this with all your friends who love luxury motorhomes. See you soon with another dream ride.